Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and in this video we're going to be looking at how you can repurpose your TikTok lives using a content repurposing tool called Munch, which is one of the most powerful video repurposing tools that I've found online. What we're going to be doing with this amazing content creation strategy is grabbing past TikTok lives, grabbing the raw video, just throwing it into this repurposing tool, and it's kind of like having a AI video editor. Normally, if I had to edit, let's say, a 1 hour live down to a few short clips, it might take me a few hours to do that. Whereas Munch can do that with the click of a button, and it can create, all this free content for you. It's a new content creation strategy that I've been doing where basically I can do one piece of content, which is just a TikTok live, and I can talk about various topics. I'll use Munch to repurpose that into lots of little bits of content, and then I will pop that up on just one platform. So particularly for the short form content, I might put it up just as a YouTube short or just as a TikTok. But then I also use another tool called Repurpose.io that will take that one piece of content and push it out to 7 other social media platforms. So if I can get 3 pieces of short form content out of my TikTok live, I ended up with 21 pieces of content for just an hour or two's work, which is amazing when you're a content creator. I mean, sometimes I can spend half a day creating, or a whole day making one YouTube video just like this, with all the filming and editing and coming up with ideas. So if you want to see how you can repurpose your TikTok lives and get heaps of short form content and other bits of content for your social media, stick around. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. This is not necessarily just for TikTok lives. I don't really go live much on YouTube or Facebook, but I know you can download your live after the fact. So this is for any platform, even Twitch, I think, where you can just download when you've gone live. So first of all, we just have to get that raw video. So I went live on TikTok this morning for like about half an hour, just asking some questions of my followers. If you want to find out how to get your lives in TikTok, you just go to your own profile, and then you go to the 3 lines on the top right hand corner, go to Creator Tools, and then we just go down to where it says Live Center. And then from there, we just need to find Tools and Resources and just click on Replays. This will allow you to download lives that you have done in the past. So here's the one that I did today. I'm going to hit download. That's actually going to download that to the photo reel on my phone. So I'll pause the video while that downloads, and then I'll join back with you. So here's the TikTok live just as a raw video. I'm going to actually just airdrop this to my Mac because I can. I don't know how you do this on an Android, but however you send files, I'm just going to send that file over to the Mac. So technically you can do all of what I'm about to do just on a smartphone if you've got a video editor on your smartphone. So once we've got the raw file, all we need to do is sign up for a free trial or get a paid plan on Munch. You do get some free, you get 2 or 3 projects for free with the free trial, so you can test it out if you want. So this is what the back end of Munch looks like. And we just have to create a new project. So all you need to do is tell it where you are actually going to be posting these clips. So I'm going to select TikTok and YouTube Shorts. And then when you go next, you can either just grab that. So here is my live video. I can actually just grab that video file and drag and drop it into Munch for it to repurpose. Or I could also upload that TikTok live in its entirety to my YouTube channel, and then as a live replay. And then I can just pop the YouTube link in there. So I can do it either of those 2 ways. Let's see whether I can get some vertical clips out of this TikTok live just by dragging and dropping the file in. I just need to wait for that file to upload. So I've uploaded the raw video of my TikTok live. Now I just hit next. Right here is where we select the style of the subtitles that we would like. So I'm just going to go with the standard white, green, and yellow ones and hit next. And then just give your project a name. I've just called this TikTok Live Replay number 2 and today's date. I've said that it's just a lecture because it's just me talking, or I could even do an explainer. I'm just going to say lecture. And then for the optimal clip length, because I want these to be like TikToks and like shorts for YouTube, I'm going to go 59 seconds because YouTube shorts can't be more than a minute long. Now that I've hit Munch it, it's going to pop it in the processing queue. This typically takes anywhere from half an hour to 45 minutes. And then when I come back, it should have a bunch of clips for me. It's taken about 40 minutes, but it was like a 40-minute long clip that I uploaded. And what's happened is Munch is now created a bunch of vertical shorts from that content. It's given me 1, 2, 3, this is 8, 9, 10. So it's also taken some of the keywords from what I'm talking about, and it's given me some suggested keywords to use, which is really cool for YouTube and things like that. So normally if I was to take a raw video of me giving a lecture or talking for half an hour or an hour, it might take me, you know, a few hours to edit that down into some short clips and get it all sorted. Whereas I just had to click a button, upload this, and it took me, what, a minute or two. Now let's have a look. This is the most important thing about whether these, you know, clips are usable or whether they're any good. So let's just have a look at this one here. It gives them all a title as well. It'll save you a lot of time writing titles. So if this is like a YouTube short, it's already got a title, and if you're going to pop this on TikTok, it's written a description and given you hashtags. So let's have a quick look at what it's created, and then we'll see whether we can use this. Piece of content that I make on YouTube Shorts, I get 7 more pieces of free content. So that's 8 pieces from 1. And if I do 3 pieces of content a day, I'm getting 24 videos a day just using this Repurpose tool. Now, that's fantastic. It found a part of the video where I was talking about repurpose.io. The only problem is that these subtitles are going over my face. So I can just quickly edit that, and I can actually change the position of the subtitles. So you can go in and you can edit these. Like, what I'm trying to do is save heaps of time, so I'm not going to edit them too heavily. There's a nice spot for the subtitles above my head there. So now that I've done that, let's have a look now. So for every 1 piece of content that I make on YouTube Shorts, so if the voice detection like got a word wrong, I can go in there and change it, but I'm really not going to bother too much. I'm just going to hit export and select download. So that's now downloaded to my computer, and I can just airdrop that to my phone, and I've got a TikTok or a YouTube short. I'm probably going to post that on my other platforms as well, my LinkedIn videos, my Twitter, which is now X, and my Instagram and Snapchat Spotlight. So that's fantastic. I now have potentially 10 pieces of content just from my TikTok live that I did, and it took me 40 minutes to do the TikTok live, and now I'll probably use half of these. I'll pick the best ones, and you see that that was exporting in the background, by the way. So that's how you repurpose your TikTok lives and turn them into short form content. Now you can also take a long YouTube video, like a podcast, like a long form video, and if it's in the horizontal, you can just get Munch to turn it into lots of short, like 2 or 3 minute videos. So you can get like all these extra YouTube videos and lots of extra chances for YouTube AdSense money and affiliate marketing. So that's basically my current content repurposing strategy for my TikTok lives. And that's just using the Munch platform. If you want to save yourself an absolute ton of time, I also use repurpose.io, where I just pop a YouTube short or a TikTok up, and then it will automatically push it out to all the other platforms for me, so I don't have to bother reposting my own content, and it posts it without any watermarks, which is really cool. If you want to try out Munch, the video repurposing tool, or repurpose.io that will push the content out to multiple platforms, I will leave a link in the description and the pinned comment of this video that will contain everything that I have talked about in this video. That link will also lead you to the YouTube Profits Masterclass, which is a 3-hour course where I have distilled all of my knowledge of making money on YouTube and with affiliate marketing into 3 hours of video content. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this content valuable. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to the Studio Hacks YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.